So, I've got you in the bedroom with me, and Gypsy. I'm in a pickle. I'm in quite a pickle. I have a plan, but as Miss Glenda and I were discussing today, it's like we're stuck. We're stuck in reverse. And we haven't been able to get started. So here we are, almost a week after my beautiful wife left us, and we still have not really started much in the bathroom. We have a bunch of paraphernalia strewn about the house that we will need for the bedroom remodel, including bedding, linens, a couple other decor items, a new gate, retractable gate for the bedroom door to keep the cats or the dogs out of there when the cats need their little time alone, because evidently that's a thing. So we've got a lot of small things, and a purchase I didn't plan on making is also in the truck. So let me tell you a little bit about our hurdles. And I'll tell you that I'm not sure exactly how all of them are going to be handled. But hurdle number one is the flooring. Please note, it's not been swept, mopped, or anything because it must all leave. The reason why? The flooring, the tile flooring, while there's nothing wrong with it, was put in after the fact. Originally, the flooring was linoleum, and they tiled around the existing cabinet. That'd be fine if we were putting in a solid bottom cabinet, but if you'll recall, that cabinet does not have a solid bottom, which means flooring must be redone. I'm not terribly sad about that. If you don't get out of the cat crunchies, I swear to you, this dog eats nothing but cat crunchies. No food, just feed him cat crunchies. So I'm not exactly sad about that because when we redid the flooring in the entire house, the only areas we didn't touch were the bathrooms, the entryway, which is a sore point with me, and the master closet. So this just gives me the opportunity to go ahead and rip out the flooring in the closet in the master bathroom and get it taken care of with the flooring that's in the rest of the house. Wasn't part of the plan and pushes me an additional $200 into the budget, but I think I'm gonna like it more in the long run anyway, and I really want this carpet out of here. Now, you'll notice on the floor in the closet is this pile of white fluff. It is also all over the laundry in the closet because I had to do a little bit of recon in the crawl space, because my next problem is that the plan I have for this wall is going to repurpose or refinish the entire wall, and I don't want this here any longer. I want that over here. Now, that's a bit of a problem considering I am not a master electrician. In fact, electricity is one of the things I really don't like messing with at all. But I have a lifeline. Thankfully, I know a guy who might be able to help me out. He's given me some instruction on how to get to past the point that I'm at now, which is I don't want it there, and what I can do until he can come out and actually finish the problem, or fix the problem. So I'm going to work on that at some point. But I realize as I'm sitting here going through all this stuff in the bathroom that I've not even told you the design. You'll just have to wait and see. But today is demo. And the first thing that's coming up is this flooring. Bathroom, currently, tile to carpet, tile, and a cat drinking out of the toilet. That was not planned. Anyway. So it's been an hour, but the flooring is gone. It took Melissa, Glenda, and I an hour to hammer and scrape away at this floor. Thankfully, the mastic's not very thick. I think we're gonna be able to lay pretty much over top of it with the exception of a few spots I gotta sand. Not bad. But so far, the biggest part of the demo has been completed. Tune in next time when we'll be removing the vanity. the toilet and starting the floor install. Catch us next time, guys.
Bye.
Bye. Quick question. How do we get that guy out of here?
Pickles will do it.
Oh, Gypsy! Mush.
Exactly.
I have no idea how to make this thing go forward. Can I do it here? No. I'd love to know how to make this thing go forward, because that would be very helpful at this point. I figured it out! Oh, I did not think about how I was going to get off this floor, though.
And this was a great idea, but it weighs 900 pounds. How am I going to get it out of there? Will the garbage man pick up that? What exactly would I put that in that the garbage man would pick it up in? I don't know the answer to any of these questions.